In front of me is VIVO Y19 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go to shortcut menu by swiping up from the bottom left corner. Now click on small screen mode. And as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, use this icon with a rectangle at the top right or left corner. Then drag it. If you wish to resize it, tap on the same icon, but this time use those type of dots. In order to go back to the standard screen, click on this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!